Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the delivery optimization in your Windows 11 PC. And if you don't know what is this delivery optimization, how does it works? Basically, it lets you get Windows updates and Microsoft Store apps from sources in addition to Microsoft, like other PCs on your network or other computers on the internet that are downloading the same files, right? So I'm going to show you how easy it is to enable or disable this feature. So now all you have to do is just simply right click on the Windows icon in your taskbar and simply click on settings. From here on the left hand side, click Windows Update, and then you want to click on the advanced options here. Now from here, you want to scroll on a bit on the additional options. You will see the delivery optimization, right? So if you click on that, you will see towards the right hand side on or off. If it's on, it's like this, right? And if it's off, it definitely grayed out. So once you turn it on, just simply ensure that under allow downloads from device on my network is checked, and that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.